welcome to my channel. So today's video is about Fuller's Earth, that is also known as Multani Mitti. This box, I have got this box for rupees 25 and for 100 gram of product, and Multani Mitti is like this. This is in a powder form, and it is really very cheap, and you can get those Multani Mitti blocks as well. It will be way more cheaper than this. We all know that this product, means this clay, has been used for centuries in India for treating several skin problems like scars, acne, blemishes. Multani Mitti is rich in alkaline. Its alkaline content corrects and imbalances and neutralizes our skin tone. Means that is the most important part. We all wanted to neutralizes our skin tone. We don't want that here is a black spot or something like that on our face. We just need even skin tone, that the color of our skin, either it should be a brownish tone or a yellowish tone or a whitish tone. It should be like same. It should not be like patchy kind of stuff. Multani Mitti helps you to treat that as well. So this clay can be used for various purposes, like for cleanser, for exfoliation, for detan and pigmentation. Most of we are worried about our pigmentation and detan, the tanning problem, and for anti-acne problems, and we can use it as a mask as well. First is cleanser. For cleanser, you need to take half a tablespoon of Multani Mitti and fresh yogurt. Mix that two very well and make a creamy paste, and then just gently massage on your face. Just gently massage. It should not be very harsh on your face, and just massage gently on your face, and then just wash it off with water, and you will get a clear cleansed skin. So number 2 is exfoliation. For exfoliation, you need 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and fresh yogurt. Then just apply it on your face, and then just gently massage on your face. Let it be semi-dry for some time, just for 2 minutes like that, just semi-dry, and in this you need to make a coarse kind of paste. It should not be very thick, it should not be very thin, it should not be very medium, like from medium to means from medium to thick. Your paste should be like from medium to thick consistency, and then just apply it on your face, damp face, and then just gently massage on your face, and then just wash it off with water. For detan and pigmentation, for this you need to take 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti, 1 tablespoon of tomato juice, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Just mix it very well, and then just apply on your damp face and rest it for 15 minutes, and then just rinse it off with cold water. Number 3 is anti-acne. For anti-acne problems, actually this Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth reduces our acne problem and remove blackheads. We are so much worried about our blackheads. I am too, because I am one of them. So for that you need to take 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and fresh yogurt. Soak it for 20 minutes. Rest it for 20 minutes. Just soak it, and then just after 20 minutes, just apply. Just mix with that. Mix with that ground fresh mint leaves into that, and then just mix it, and make a fine paste. And then just apply on your damp face. Rest it for 15 minutes. Then just wash it off with water, cold water. And so number 4 is for mask. For mask, you need Multani Mitti. This miracle clay helps to glow you from within. Means to help you from. Multani Mitti adds natural oil to your skin. For that, you need to take 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti and mix with that. Take 2 tablespoons of Multani Mitti, add fresh yogurt into that, add raw honey and aloe vera, and just mix it and make a fine textured paste, and just apply it on your damp face and rest it for 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. It should not be very dry. It should be semi. Massage gently on your face, gently like this. like this, just gently on your face, and then just wash it off with cold water. And I'll not say that instant you will get the glow. I'm not saying that. It will, like, once you use it, means for in a week you can use one day, in a week, in a month I guess you will find the difference that yes, it is not working. And actually the plus point is it is natural. It is not anything, means it is not anything chemical into that. It will not suit you. It is not like that. It is natural and it will not harm your skin. Is for my opinion. I have observed it. I am from oily to combination skin, means yeah, combination skin only, is not so oily, not so dry, combination skin type. That's it. And I have observed it and it has just worked beautifully on my skin. So yeah. So yeah, this is all for today's video. I hope this information helps you out. If it, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of my channel to you first. So yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.